Welcome back to Auto Beeni, where we push the boundaries of automotive engineering and explore the most radical concepts the world has ever seen. Today, we are stepping away from the luxury sedans and high-performance SUVs to look at something truly extraordinary, a machine that redefines the very concept of power and protection. We are diving deep into the BMW Futuristic Battle Tank. Now, I know what you're thinking, BMW and tanks. While the Bavarian giant is world-renowned for the ultimate driving machine on the pavement, this concept represents an evolution of their engineering philosophy into a realm of extreme durability and tactical superiority. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of what happens when German precision meets the requirements of a futuristic battlefield. As we stand before this behemoth, the first thing that hits you is the unmistakable BMW design DNA, reimagined for a much more rugged and lethal purpose. The exterior of this tank is a masterclass in aggressive aerodynamics and stealth geometry. Unlike the blocky, traditional tanks we've seen for decades, this BMW concept features sharp, angular lines that serve a dual purpose. They deflect incoming projectiles and significantly reduce the vehicle's radar cross-section. The iconic kidney grille, usually a symbol of luxury, has been transformed into a massive, reinforced air intake system for the hybrid cooling units, glowing with a subtle blue LED that signifies the high-tech heart beating within. The armor isn't just heavy steel, it's a sophisticated composite of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, ceramic plates, and a reactive nano layer that can actually heal minor surface damage from small arms fire. The matte finish, adaptive camouflage paint job changes its hue based on the surrounding environment, making it nearly invisible in urban ruins or desert sands. Moving to the performance, this is where the BMW engineering truly shines. Underneath that impenetrable shell lies a revolutionary drivetrain that makes traditional diesel engines look like relics of the past. The tank is powered by a high-output hydrogen fuel cell system paired with quad electric motors, one at each corner of the independent track drive system. This setup allows for torque vectoring that is unheard of in the armored world. It can execute a 360-degree tank turn in milliseconds and accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a staggering 4.5 seconds. A feat that is almost terrifying for a machine weighing over 50 tons. Because it's electric, it operates in near total silence, allowing it to ghost into position without alerting enemy sensors. The suspension is a fully active electromagnetic system derived from BMW's flagship M series, meaning it can glide over craters and debris at high speeds while keeping the main turret perfectly stabilized. It doesn't just drive, it maneuvers with the grace of a sports car, proving that even a battle tank can be the ultimate driving machine in its own right. Inside the cockpit, the luxury and technology you expect from BMW are evident, though repurposed for tactical efficiency. There are no traditional windows. Instead, the crew is surrounded by a 360-degree high-definition augmented reality display, fed by a suite of external cameras and lidar sensors. This gives the pilot and commander a see-through armor experience, eliminating blind spots entirely. The controls are a blend of gesture-based interfaces and a haptic feedback yoke, making the operation of this massive machine feel as intuitive as playing a high-end flight simulator. The seats are ergonomically designed with integrated cooling and impact protection, ensuring the crew remains combat effective even during the most grueling 24-hour missions. Now, let's talk about the aspect that everyone asks about, the price. As a conceptual prototype and a technological demonstrator, the BMW Futuristic Battle Tank isn't something you can pick up at your local dealership. However, based on the materials used, from the specialized carbon ceramic armor to the experimental hydrogen propulsion system, industry analysts estimate the production cost per unit to be in the neighborhood of $15 million to $20 million. It's an astronomical figure, but when you consider the sheer amount of innovation packed into this frame, and the fact that it effectively replaces both a scout vehicle and a heavy hitter, the value proposition for a modern military is undeniable. It represents a shift toward smart armor, where survival is based on speed, stealth, and superior data rather than just the thickness of the steel. In conclusion, the BMW Futuristic Battle Tank is a fascinating glimpse into a future where the lines between luxury automotive design and military hardware begin to blur. It takes the core values of BMW, performance, innovation, and style, and applies them to the harshest environment imaginable. Whether it ever sees a mass production line or remains a stunning design study, it serves as a reminder that the pursuit of engineering excellence knows no bounds. This is more than just a tank, it is a vision of the future.